Hello students, welcome back to the second part of the poem A Time to Believe. In the first part we have discussed about the poem, meanings, figures of speech and the poem appreciation. The poem appreciation what we have discussed according to the board pattern. But this year children you have to study only the first 5 points for the poem appreciation. The first 5 points means the title of the poem, the poet's name, the central idea or main theme, rhyme scheme, and figures of speech. Understood, children? Now we are going to the warming up section of the poem, page number 1. The first question is, think, choose and fill up the labels with what is sunrise symbolizes. Here students, sunrise represents the positivity. Okay, some of the words are given in the brackets. You have to choose the suitable words relating to the concept of sunrise. 13 labels are there. The answers are art, hope, birth, new opportunities, good manners, inspiration, new achievements, happiness, bright moments, new aims, and new surprises. The rest of the 2 boxes you have to fill of your own choice. The second question is how to write an acrostic. An acrostic is a poem or a write-up in which the first letter of each line forms a word when it is read vertically. One example is given in your textbook about the word friend. F means faithful, R reliable, I inspiring, E encouraging, N noble, D dedicated. The 2 acrostic you have to make about the words believe and faith. B certain of, E everything that, L lies around you, I inspire, E everyone and V value, E everyone. We can say in this way, be certain of everything that lies around you, inspire everyone and value everyone. The another acrostic, F friends and A angels, I inspire, T truthfulness with, H happiness. Friends and angels inspire truthfulness with happiness. Please note that the words or phrases should be more or less related to the topic. You can use a thesaurus. What is meant by thesaurus? Generally, a thesaurus is a reference book that lists words grouped together according to similarity of meaning, containing synonyms and sometimes antonyms. Children, you can use your creativity also for making the acrostic. Let us discuss about the English workshop, page number 3. Rearrange the letters of the following words to make meaningful words occurring in the poem. The first one, miracles. Second, wisdom. Third, courage. Fourth one, surprises. Fifth one, beauty. Sixth one, dreams. Seventh one, value. And eighth one, wonder. Next question, question number 1B. Write the words from the poem that describe the following nouns. The words describing the nouns means adjectives. Let us find out the adjectives of the following nouns. The first one, sky, stardust. Second, heart, nurturing. Third, hand, aging. Fourth one, beginning, new. And fifth one, surprises, wonderful. Second question, say why. The reasons of the statements have to be answered. A. The sky has a magical quality. Why? The answer is because of the magical quality, the sky gives shape to our imagination. It could be angels dancing among the clouds and the wisdom of man in the moon. These are the creations of the sky. B. Even an aging hand has beauty. Why? The answer is the aging hand symbolizes the elderly people. Aging hands are beautiful because they have got the wrinkles after years of hard work and persistence. Their teachings from their experiences help us to learn the true love. C. We should believe that we are strong and courageous. Why? The answer is failure, disappointments, and rejections are the part of our life. But the belief that we are strong and courageous will help us to rise each time when we fall. Question number 3. Make a list of any 6 things from the poem that the poet wants us to accept as true. A. To trust that miracles happen in our life. B. To believe that dreams do come true. C. To see the angels in the sky dancing among the clouds. D. To know the wonder of stardust sky. E. To know that we are not alone. F. To know that beautiful surprises are awaiting to happen. Fourth question, find from the poem positive qualities to fill up the web. There are a lot of positive qualities described in this poem. Example, hopes, dreams, strength, courage, surprises, wisdom, cherish, etc. You can take any 5 positive qualities from this poem and fill up the web. Question number 5, read the lines below. A. It is about the figure of speech, personification. Children, omit this figure of speech. B. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. C. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift. Lines in poetry such as above state a general truth and can be used as saying or quotes, etc. They contain the figure of speech called epigram. So find from the poem 3 other examples of epigram. The first one is to trust that miracles happen. Second one, to believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. Third one, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. The sixth question is an activity. So children, you can prepare a decorative chart or poster using an epigrammatic lines from the poem. You can either use calligraphy or painting of your own choice. It is an activity. Next, we are going to discuss about the textual questions and answers. The first question, what should one know and trust every day? Answer, one should know that every day is a new beginning and trust that miracles happen every day. Second question, what are the 2 supernatural references in the second stanza? Answer, the 2 supernatural references in the second stanza are the angels dancing among the clouds and the man in the moon. Third question, what 2 qualities are needed to recover after a shocking event? Answer, to recover after a shocking event, the poet says you need to have strength and courage that lies within us. Fourth question, what kind of attitude does the poet advise everybody to have? Answer, the poet advises everyone to have the attitude and believe that life is a gift and we must cherish it. He encourages everyone to live with courage even when things are shattered and to have the strength to pick up the broken pieces. The poet advises everybody to live with hope and dreams and should have a positive attitude towards life. Students, I hope that you enjoy this poem and activities. You have to maintain an English notebook and write all the meanings, question answers, figures of speech, and poem appreciation in your notebook. Poem appreciation only include the first 5 points. Okay, children, stay home, stay safe, take care.